showing you guys a bunch of tricks that I can do. And some of them I can't do fully. And some of them I might fail at. But okay, starting with my front flip, which I cannot land. 1, 2. Okay, now I'm gonna do my middle split jump. Ready? And now my right split jump. 1, 2, 3. My left split jump. 1, 2, 3. I suck at that. I'm gonna be showing you guys my my back bend kick over. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys just this little, like, it's not a front handspring, but sort of like it, but I can't land. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna be doing a cartwheel. And now I'm gonna do a round off.